The Downtown Improvement District is a business improvement district that aims to make downtown Minneapolis more clean, safe, and vibrant. We do that through a number of initiatives, and we have a 125 block radius of downtown that we focus on. The city of Minneapolis rebuilt Nicollet Mall. They installed this state-of-the-art programmable lighting system, and we kind of felt that it wasn't reaching its full potential because it was just lights, and without music, without audio, that it's just not as effective. What EDC did for us was install, I believe, 24 speakers along a 2-block stretch of Nicollet Mall, kind of the core of downtown. But they were also able to give us a system that we could synchronize with our lighting system, which was way out of our comprehension of what we could actually design. So they kind of stepped in and took care of it. When it comes to downtown, people really notice aesthetics. When things don't look clean, when they don't look professionally done, people feel less safe. So it gives people the sense that downtown is being managed, that it's being taken care of, that there are people activating the downtown, and that things are intentional. Whenever we needed edits to the software that we have, they respond really quickly, they check in, which is really appreciated. No one else had the ability to even comprehend what we were trying to get out of this. No one else seemed even remotely qualified.